Hello everyone. This would be the third or the last part of the video of how to show you how to do land use and land cover classification. So what I did, we classified our study area in 4 different classes. One is water body, one developed, barren land, and mixed forest. I changed the color, and now we can compare if our classification is correct or not. So uh, as I told you, this area is vegetation. The red color represent vegetation. So in the classified image you can see this is also vegetation, and I told you like this area is not vegetated, or there is no water body on this class, so it was barren land. So we can see it is the same, like we classified it correctly as well. And we can see also there was a river flowing through our study area, and it is also classified correctly. There is a river flowing through our classification. So as I told you, I took only few training sample. That is why my classification is not correct. But I would encourage you to take more training sample, so that your classification would be more correct than mine. So the next part would be, let's say we have classified image for 2010, and we have classified image for 2020. So if we have two classified image, and we can calculate the area of water body, developed area, and mixed forest, then we can compare the amount of changes between these 2 years. So we can say if there is any decrease or increase in study area. So what we can do to do this, we can first, this is the raster image, so we can convert this raster image to vector. So raster to polygon, then I will, the input image would be the classified one, and I will change it to class value, and then classify. This looks a little bit weird, but you will see. So if we go to the attribute table, we will see there are around more than 14,000 polygon was created, and there is a grid code. So each grid code means a class. So this was vegetation. So sorry, so this was, let's, if we go to this class, so class 43 is mixed forest. So class 43 was vegetation. So so this was the part, this was class 43. And if you go to class 30, so the class 30 was barren land. But we have now 14,000 polygons, but we can merge all the same classes together. To merge the same classes together, we can do dissolve, and then input feature would be raster class. And sorry, so there's one class selected, so I would go to, and then clear one, clear, and then decode. So, and the dissolve field would be grid code, and run. So now I have dissolved. So now if we go to attribute table, we will see we have only 4 classes, like it was before, on our classified image. We have only 4 classes. Now we can add one field. That would be, we can add 2 fields actually. So one would be class name, and it would be text, and the another field would be area, and it would be float, and numeric. I will just click and save. So as I told you, 43 is vegetation, so I will just rename it mixed forest. And then 30 was barren land and 20 was developed. 30 developed, and this one is Warabari. Now we can calculate the area. So right click on area field and then go to calculate geometry, and now go to property and then area geodesic and click OK. So area would unit, you could use hectare or whatever the unit you want and click OK. So now it calculated all calculated the area. You can now visualize. You can now visualize this the study area. So double click or right click on it and then go to symbology and then go to graduated color, and instead of grid code you can use grid code, or we should be not graduate color, we can use unique values and class name. So we have 4 class name. Okay. Now we can change the color. So barren land, I would say this one is this, developed area, mixed forest, it would be, and then water body blue. And the other area, it was not the part of it, so you can delete this one, or you can make it no color. Okay, so this is how you this is the final classified image. So this is the final classified image, and you can do the same process that I just showed you for to classify another year, and then you can compare these 2 years. Then if you want to extract the attribute table into Excel file, then you can do it as well. So go to analysis and then table to Excel, and then use this dissolve one, and then click OK. So now if you want to copy the, so now you can see you have the area classified in hectare. Now if you have an area of, this one is, let's say 2010, and then if you can classify like for 2020, then you will be able to see the change. So I hope you understand the whole process, and I am planning to make few more projects of different ideas. If you want to see, and then you can subscribe this channel, and then every time I will upload a video you will see a notification, and then you